Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Loretta. I hope you guys are all doing well. If you're a new member to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and put your comments on the video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be part of the family. So guys, on today's video we are learning how to make money online for we the beginners. So if you're a beginner and you are new, you're a new member to you want to start an online business and you don't know how to start or end it, lift up your hands and give me a handshake. So on this video I'm gonna teach you in tricks so that you will all be able to create an account on Jiji and earn money on Jiji. So guys, today's video is all about how to make money on Jiji for we beginners. So the kaya obey is over call Jiji website na wako follow Jiji, then now create your account with Jiji. Who create your account we are on member of forms. Now I fill forms no. And you fill forms ni we are. Now why confirm your email address. Who confirm your email address Jiji Beka say post your profile picture. Picture ni so I'll be posting and say be a be wa bi mo basa bi picture bi a o hwese say be a wa picture ana say ade a o pese wonton enu bi na o pese won find your profile picture. If any picture that you want, picture bi a o pe bi an na ade akoto wo Jiji enti o de koto go wi a Jiji beka say ko select ade a o pese wonton wo Jiji enti Jiji ebe ma o pictures. After say we create your account BBA Jiji edit picture private to our product bia wo mu bi ade bia o pese wo ton bia bi wo so say you say your TV say your phones ade bia o pese wo ton bia ebi wo Jiji that picture that Jiji would develop at the moment bibia bi wo so enti Jiji be catch say kosalete ade a opese woton enti ade a opese woton ebe yenku na opese woton a saa mfoni na Jiji di amount na ebi a wa boso se ebi a nku na me pese meton na ado nsa abo enku die so odo nsa boso a Jiji be ka cha say upload the picture eye enioma na opese woton se nku na oboso enti nku ehun nioma na opese woton na chese wa posti ewo Jiji enti no we hia bibia bi Jiji ebe ka chose eya na do telephone number egu asie se bia me hu na ye me fa me frɛ ana me chato na fi wo de ade krono abreme Jiji betu ama wa bra onto kapre enti pomodia na create Jiji account na nyesika wa bra otifi efise o posti ade na me na ye me fa me frɛ wona o ka price na me na ma send you scanner chese wo de apreme eyesa wo de breme kwa betumi de amaka ama ne de abemu market way enti Jiji de pomodia na go visit Jiji account na ho NSK fee ewo